The 2023 Toyota Yaris Cross combines urban style with smart functionality, making it a standout in any cityscape. Illuminate your path with LED projector headlights for enhanced visibility, and the intrusion alarm adds an extra layer of security, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. Step inside to find dual-zone automatic air conditioning for personalized comfort and a Nano EX air purifier for fresher cabin air. Competitive finance packages available. Speak to our friendly sales team for a personalized quotation. Call or visit Platinum Toyota Bath today to schedule your test drive of the 2023 Toyota Yaris Cross. Speak to our team about paint protection, gap insurance, and tire and wheel protection for complete peace of mind.